Hello everyone, I am Professor Sachin Takmare, Computer Engineering Department, AP Shah Institute of Technology, Thane. In this video, I will show you how to use Disha portal. First, you have to go to this URL disha.apsit.edu.in. Then this page will open. Then click on login. I suppose you are a new user, so click on create new account. Then you have to submit your information, username, password, choose your password, then email address, again type the same email address for confirmation, then first name, then last name, city, country, then give your mobile number, click on this and create my new account. So if you click on this button, create my account, our Disha portal will send you one message on your mail ID, whatever the mail ID you have provided. So you can check your mail. So this is the mail from Disha admin. Now you have to confirm your mail ID like this. Suppose if I click on this link, my mail ID is confirmed. Now continue. Now if you see my courses tab, there is no enrollment in the my course. Now you are going to do self enrollment for the various courses. So you can see here course categories. So there are different course categories. First, choose the course category MHCET test series. So MHCET test series, there are 10 mock tests in the test series. So you can enroll one by one. So suppose I want to do self enrollment for mock test 1. Just click on this course and there is a button enroll me. So click on this enroll me button. Our Disha portal will automatically enroll you for that particular test. In this test 1, there are 3 tests, subject wise test. Physics for 45 minutes, chemistry for 45 minutes and mathematics for 90 minutes. So you can self enroll for the test like this. So there are 10 tests and you have to do self enrollment for all the 10 courses. So I will do it. I have done self enrollment for all the 10 courses. That means 10 mock tests. So you can see here in my courses there are 10 tests available. So I can choose any course. Suppose if I choose mock test 4, so there are 3 quiz: physics, chemistry and mathematics. Now I will try physics test from mock test 4. You will get this screen, and if you want to attempt the quiz, so you have to press this button, attempt quiz now. Start attempt. There are 2 questions on each page and this is the quiz navigation. So I will randomly select the answers just to show, and suppose if I feel this B answer, option B is not correct, so I can clear this by using this button and again I can write the correct answer. Randomly I am selecting the answers to finish the test and show you the result. So there is a button finish attempt and you can see here time remaining or time left, so you can manage the quiz accordingly. So suppose if I press finish attempt, will show you summary of attempt, how many questions I have attempted. So all the questions I have attempted here. So I can return to the attempt also, or submit and finish. Submit. Once you submit, you will no longer to be able to change your answer for this attempt. Yes. So here I will get my result, time taken, then marks, and here I can see the feedback. That means this is the wrong answer. The correct answer is 180° for this particular question. And on right hand side you can see quiz navigation. So from this quiz navigation you can find out how many questions are right and how many questions are wrong, and you can directly go to that particular question and you can see the feedback. Like this you can attempt any test from this test series. Now here we have seen how to attempt the mock test. Suppose I want to go for subject wise preparation. So courses in physics, chemistry, mathematics. For example, I want to do quiz for physics chapter 1. So I can go for that particular course, enroll myself, and from this course I can directly go to this. First chapter of physics is circular motion, and suppose I want to attempt quiz of circular motion chapter, so I can just click on this quiz, attempt quiz now. So in this circular motion of physics subject there are 574 questions available. This is the quiz, and suppose I want to attempt only 20 questions of this quiz, so directly I can attempt. Here you can get 4 questions on a single page. So 20 questions I have attempted and I want to see the result of this 20 question. So here there is finish attempt button. So I can press this finish attempt to see the answers of my 20 attempted questions. Now submit and finish. Okay. I have answered only 20 questions. Out of that, 5 questions are correct. So this is the feedback I can see. So likewise, I can attempt whatever the questions I want and I can see the result. So this is all about how to use Disha portal. All the best for your exam. Do well. Best of luck from APSIT family. Thank you.